Hi, I'm Kathy Lattz. I'm Master Gardener in Piatt County, and I'm here at the Monticello High School where the students are going to demonstrate to us during this video how to make wreaths. They're going to use white pine, 5 needles. Then they're also going to use Fraser firs to make these wreaths.
So, before we start making our wreath, we need to make a plan to do so. What style do you want your wreath to follow?
We're going to be making a traditional wreath, which is fairly simple to make. Follow along with us as we describe each step.
For our wreath today, we will be using various types of greenery, such as Fraser fir and white pine. We will also need a wreath frame and wire. The wire we will be using today is a 22 gauge wire. You can also choose from various accessories such as ribbon to make a bow to put on your wreath at the end.
Before we begin making our wreath, we must sort out our materials.
Now we are going to wrap our wire all the way around our wreath frame to create a strong base for our wreath.
Grab at least one of each type of greenery and make a bundle with them. You want your bundle to look pretty. You can add as little or as much as you want. Keep in mind, the more that you add, the fuller your wreath will look. Next, place your bundle slightly facing outward on the wreath frame. The base of the bundle should be about an inch below the wire where you started around the frame. Then take your wire and wrap it around the bottom 3 times of your bundle to secure it to the wreath.
Then make the next bundle and alternate it in and out around the wreath.
Repeat these steps until it is time to place the last bundle.
This part can be difficult. Place the last bundle following your in and out pattern. Try to cover the bottom of the first bundle you made. If you can't cover it all the way after you wrap the wire around, add a bit more greenery.
Now we're going to make our bow and place it over where we started and finished our wreath. The bow will cover the start and finish point hole.
Lastly, we will add our wire loop that is used to hang our wreath, and then your wreath is complete.